Hello, I'm Todd Schiffer. I'm a pediatrician in New York, and I have been associated with Aureus University for 3.5 years. I run the MD5, which is their Introduction to Clinical Medicine course. And when we first began, I had 12 students in our course, and now we are over 30 and pushing towards 40. And what I can tell you is that the quality of the students has risen as much as the number of the students has. The curriculum has improved in leaps and bounds, and I'm very proud to say this is the best course and class that I've had, and I'm looking forward to an even better future with Aureus University.